Chapter Mechanical Properties of Fluid, we are solving NCERT textbook question, and in this question it is asked, when we close a water tap with our fingers, first jets of water comes out and we have to explain why. Question to question, যেতিয়া পানী ওলাই থকা টেপ এটাৰ আমি আঙুলিৰে ক্লোজ কৰি দিম তেতিয়া খুব হাই স্পিডত আঙুলিৰ ফাকেৰে পানী ওলাই আহে ৰিজনটো কি তো ইয়াতে সিম্পল বাৰ্নৌলিছ প্ৰিন্সিপল আমি পঢ়িছো তো according to Bernoulli's principle that means speed of water, you can say in this case, and speed of fluid and cross sectional area are inversely proportional. যদি পাইপত কতবা cross sectional area reduce হৈ যায় তেতিয়াহলে আমি জানো স্পিড বাঢ়ি যাব, speed will increase, and if velocity decreases whenever cross sectional area of the pipe increases. Suppose এটা এটা পাইপ ইয়াৰ মাজেৰে পানী ফ্লো হৈ আছে, যেতিয়া আমি ইয়াতে আঙুলিৰে হেঁচি দিম তেতিয়া ইয়াতে কি হল cross sectional area কমি গল in comparison to the tap. And because of that, what? According to Bernoulli's principle, velocity will increase, and because of that, first jets of water comes out through the gaps of the fingers. So here I have written, according to Bernoulli's equation of continuity, that is cross-sectional area into speed of fluid, that is constant, or you can say speed is inversely proportional to cross-sectional area. As the area between fingers is very small in comparison or compared to that of your tap, so first jets of water gush out.